If you are wondering if we have a micro SD card slot or memory card slot on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer is unfortunately no. As you can see over here, I have the SIM tray that I removed from the phone, and while we do have two SIM card slots, the second SIM card slot is not a hybrid slot as it is the case on some other smartphones, which means that you cannot, for example, replace the second SIM with a microSD card instead. The microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to actually use it like that. And the only way to use a microSD card on OPPO Reno 15 is by using a memory card reader, which looks, for example, like this. Now, this is of course a huge one. There are smaller ones where we have only the micro SD card slot, and of course you want to make sure that your memory card reader has USB-C, and then you can in theory use the memory card slot, but of course it is really inconvenient to do so because you have to walk around with the attached accessory, and that is really not the point, of course, of using the micro SD card. So this of course can be useful only if you want to, for example, transfer some files from time to time from your micro SD card to the phone, or the other way around. But if you want to use it with the SIM tray, then unfortunately it is not possible. Leave a like and subscribe.